Hey friends! I have the April 2025 large die of the month from Spellbinders. This die set is very simple with mostly large pieces, and the final product is a mailbox. Come join me while I make a quick card using this die set. I'm using a deep dark purple and lavender cardstock with white accents to make this card. I started with attaching the scalloped top to the mailbox base. The sentiment I will be using is from the April Clear Stamp of the Month Club. It says, "Wishing you a day as sweet as this letter," and I stamped it using black ink. I am using white shimmer paper for the white accents of the letters banner. This card, I also cut the letters out of the same shimmer paper and am sticking them in the banner. Bottom of the mailbox, I wanted some dimension, so I added foam tape to the back. I'm using two different sizes of letters, and the large is from this die set, and the smaller ones are from the April 2025 small die of the month set. I am choosing pink for the flowers, and I have two different shades of pink. Finish off the mailbox, I want to make it look like it's overflowing. So I arrange the different sizes of envelopes with the flowers. card mat, which is A2 size, is embossed with the April 2025 embossing folder of the month, and it looks like the edges of a postage stamp. I'm keeping this very simple and just glued the mailbox onto the card mat. Raising it up with foam tape for dimension would also look great. Can't forget the key to open that mailbox, which again is using white shimmer paper. I then glued the whole mat onto my A2 size white card base. I also made this blue and gold mailbox using some blue shimmer paper I had on hand. Overall, this set is great for quick cards, and I hope you've been inspired. Thanks for watching. Bye.